In this video, I'm going to show you how to blacklist developers on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, after you have your account, if you'd like to blacklist a developer, you want to go to either polls or discover over here, and you want to find a coin that you want to blacklist the developer of. So let's say you go to polls over here, and you take this coin as an example and you want to block its developer. And the way you do this is by clicking on this pump fund icon just below its name over here, so the name of the coin. You want to click on that, and it will take you to pump fund where you can see what the creator is, so who the creator is, and you want to just click on the name of this creator. And then you'll see your code over here, so the address basically. Now, you want to copy this address, right click copy, and then you want to go back to Axiom, and then you want to go to polls, click on this icon, which is the chef's hat with the X next to it, as I see it, and it says blacklist devs next to it. Just click on that and paste it in here, so right click paste, click on add. And just like this, you'll notice that when you close this down, the coins from that developer will not appear anymore. As you can see, the JLC coin is not available anymore. And if I now go back, delete it over here, so just delete this, close it down, and I refresh the page, the coin will appear again. There we go, there it is. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.